Hey guys! Welcome to Counter Tales. I'm Isaiah.
I'm Pizza Man.
And today we're back with some more Rabbids. We love this game so much, and we don't know if you guys do because we're recording this all in one day. And we don't care if you guys dislike it or not. We're gonna upload it.
We hope you like it, but
yeah. But before you begin, subscribe button, please. I need to start doing this at the beginning and the end. Subscribe button, bell, Discord, go. Check us out. We don't have any other social media.
The description and comment section are a great place.
Yeah, tell us what other games you guys want us to check out, and now. Let's begin! Press the OK button. You can play on my Switch now. Oh! I put that up to my ear. Oh, that's sweet. Release.
Excuse me?
So what is this? Oh no! I just realized. Hey, at least we don't.
It's this one.
Hey, at least we don't start out with you know. Wait a minute. This is the one with the series of just bombs. You disgust me! No!
You. I don't think you can come up here.
No, you can't. Yeah, that's a safe spot. I mean, it's literally nothing to worry about, though. Hey, if there's...
You won't get him, would you? Okay, you will.
He just yeets you, is what happens.
Oh, thank you for resetting my position. Man, this one's fast compared to the,
Oh my god!
I'm sorry, I get put myself in the corner.
Got him. Alright, we're good. Now press B to move faster, Ryo. There you go. Just get the pipes, I'll worry about getting the beat. Go. Get the pipe! The pipe's right there!
Get a very slight boost.
Well, how are we supposed to get that? Alright. Oh yeah, there's a boost pad. Boost pad. Boost pad. Right there, boost pad. Boost pad right there. Boost pad. Good. Okay, ready? Yeet! What?
Yeah, I like to see a try.
Alright. Come on, buddy, come here. Come here, this nice Capri Sun. You want this nice Capri Sun? You want this nice Capri Sun? That was just... That destroyed my integrity! You about died. Where did he go? Oh. I was like, where'd he go? Did he just not notice you?
Hey, baby. Hey, baby, I'm right here. Don't forget me. Oh, yeah, we ditched the mic for some reason.
Yeah. No, it's because we're a little crap. Okay, look around. Behind. Oh, wait, it's behind! Right there! We got everything here, I think. We got everything, man. Alright, let's look around, see if there's anything we missed. Or do you want to just go up on there and just not worry about it because, you know. Right, let's just go, man. I'm pretty sure we got everything. Look at that. Look at this dude! Look at this dude! I'm just annoying myself. So. Is there anything up here we missed? No, we already got you. Anything else? Yeah, I guess we're free.
Like, how is like... Okay, here's the question. How is like the color black in video games like solid black, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like the... Not coming.
Pretty sure I just got a call. Yeah, I missed a call from somebody I don't know. Start shaking! We're not going to try to collect everything here, because we cannot control the rocket well. But I mean, the last few that we did, well, is okay, alright? Okay. Are we just in the same place? Get him, boy! What is that? What? Or what?
Oh, I get so much better control.
So now how do you think you can grab all that? So this is going to be a double episode, by the way. Because we're going to have 2 levels in one. By the way, you'll have to give it back to me for the last part.
No, we forgot.
No, we don't! It's the last one! The world. How do we get out of here? We're stuck! Sweet release!
Thing is great.
These levels suck.
This engine has great memory.
Yes, it does. Oh, shoot. Alright, my job! I forgot my job! I got a voicemail.
I said it once. Get it? A touring engine?
I don't think I cared. Hey. It's time for today's! Alright. Wait, can I just do this? Instead of just... I have nothing back. Raya! Do you want to make this a 20-minute video again? So, the reason we had a 20-minute video last time was because of the issue that we had. By issue, I mean the stupid game. You there!
This game's not bad.
It's not a bad game. People said... The critics said it was a bad
Just
game.
because this game has some weird something weird, does not make it a bad game. Critics are way too strict.
Hey, he farted. That's a bad game. Don't worry, you don't have to worry about it. Yes, you do, actually.
It's like you had to go back one step by that.
I don't. What did I get on Metacritic though?
Oh, I don't know.
Probably around maybe like a 70. I hope it got
70's high. Anywhere from
really? Because Mario Galaxy 2 got like 95. I mean, it's easy. It's an easy game for critics, so.
Oh yeah, it's easy.
No, it's not easy actually.
It's like a.
It's not really that easy though, to be honest with you. If you under the. Right, are you gonna?
No, easy racing. It's like Nintendo's like the Marvel.
Yeah. PlayStation's nothing like them, alright? Hey Raya, hey Raya, somebody asked me which one, PlayStation or Xbox, and I said Wii. They got mad, they got so mad at me, like, which one is it? Wait, which one? And I kept telling them the same thing. Raya, which one? PlayStation or Xbox?
Wii.
See, that's right, guys. You can't tell us which one. You can't.
Why?
Yeah, we hate them both.
Because we're very mutually both.
Yeah. So if you guys are a Nintendo fan as well, let us know what's your favorite Nintendo console, or what's your favorite, or if you're just here because, I mean, we're not here to 100% this one. Go! Just leave. It doesn't matter anymore. Press B to get more speed. By that I mean just to get more speed. By the way, as well. So. Yeah. There's no time to grab. Let's just go. I know how to do it. Just go, Riot. It doesn't really matter for the stuff. We have to survive. This is the whole level, by the way. What? For what? Right, we don't have good entities for. Did we just lose all our stuff? You know what? Doesn't matter anymore. Let's just go. I don't even like this level anyway, so I'm gonna actually try on this level though, but let's just because we can go to the moon on my right, okay. Is that a good idea? You okay with it? So we can just go to the moon on our side, on my side of the Wait, are you gonna tell me again? You stupid rabbit! Hey, that's what they call it. Were you scratching your foot? Disgusting. Thank you so much for sharing! Thank you for sharing, Raya! I don't think I asked!
Oh my gosh!
But you don't. Just go, Raya. Just go. Do we care anymore?
This level has to be like under like 24 minutes.
Yeah, this is like the worst level ever, dude. Just go! It doesn't matter if you get a hit!
This game's very good if you're like complete.
No, it's not. No, it's not. It's, by the way, I see the completionist. You know how they rate stuff? Would you give it a complete it? Or would you give it a finish it? Because I would give it a finish it, not a complete it. Don't. No! This is a 20-minute video. This is the 20-minute video all over again. Just go! No, I'm just gonna go do this. I can still collect it by doing that. Just attempt to try. I didn't. Now this is just hacked. Oh my gosh, I forgot the rabbit's gonna do the same thing! You don't care about I know. I know. But still, he wastes the hard side! We're still just trying to complete it. We're not 100% in this game anymore. Are we?
Yeah, we're doing it.
I'll do it on my account. But we'll continue our attempts on this account. We'll continue our regular playthrough through this account, but you know,
trying to get as much stuff as
yeah, I'll stick it with my account though.
that's the point of the game.
Yeah, but this level sucks. I think it's harder than C4.
C4.
Well, I meant C3 from 1-2. I also think it's harder than Tubular. I don't think you understand what I'm talking about. Do you? Super Mario World. Super Mario Bros. Last level. Thank God! Give me the remote. Give me the remote because we're at the final point. Are you just done for the day? What are we at? That's fine. I don't care. As long as we at... I don't care. I don't care! Per se. I'll care on my regular account. Oh, that's me. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Those rocket levels don't need to exist. Do you agree?
Yeah, there might be the worst part.
Really, that's it. Collecting is fun. You miss something, you die. I mean, sometimes they'll hold your hand, and sometimes they'll throw you off a cliff. And finally, what is this? Holy pile of junk! Okay, yay. I get the fun, Zoom Zoom level. Again, I still call dibs on the final level. On the final level. Because that's my favorite level of the game.
Yeah, okay.
Wait, you'll actually let me that? Sweet, thanks. I was like, if you weren't, I would cry, but you know. Now let's check on what our pile is doing.
I think we're at least a little bit bigger.
We're going into the light. We were going into the light. That's funny. Dude, our time is inconvenient. Is sort of inconvenient for the series. We literally just lit that rabbit on fire. Cook direct. Okay, he's just dead. You agree? Don't you think he's just dead?
Rabbits are fireproof.
Yeah, you're right. You can eat a sandwich and turn into a zombie. They could also, like, if you don't know where that's from Rabbids Invasion. Also, I want to do, like, a live stream where we just totally complete the game while in the live stream. What do you think about that?
Yeah, we can't watch it.
Just yet.
We need a different topic.
But it'll be a year in the future, maybe, right? When we become famous. We'll become famous. Wait, what? You can jet ski! That's epic! What do you think about that, Raya? Not at the very beginning, you'd just be a swimmy boyo. Now this is now these are just gonna make some water levels. The water levels are just normal levels with water, right? But yeah, this is just showing off. Now this is just showing off what the capabilities are for this cart. Hey, we're back here. Remember this? Oh, oh, oh no! So this is what happened to the plane. Are the people part of the pile too?
Yeah, of course. The clothes were still not them.
They're probably just perfectly fine and we're just overreacting, but they'll still be fine in our hearts. In our subscriber count. Speaking of which, please! This is gonna be a 20-minute video. Just because we have, just because of this level, because every time that there's a level before that, also right, you get to do the fun mini game levels too. So you get the fun, you get to do the levels which increase our life count. So right, we got like 3,000 from our levels, so we're good. We're good for if we miss one level. All right, we could still imagine if we could still head to the moon.
To say, I'm on my way.
Wait, what? Oh yeah, we need to do a together cover on that, right?
First off, okay.
What?
Why is there stuff here? If we're gonna put it back on the pile.
I think it just fell off the pile. Doesn't that make more sense?
Yeah.
It just fell off the pile.
Trash collectors.
Yeah, so if anything falls off, we collect it. Please subscribe. You squid, you can't float above the water. Go back under where you belong. Wait, what are these like? What if these are just the poisonous kind? Oh well, Rabbids are invincible basically. They can eat anything and they'll be perfectly fine. Disgusting, but okay. Could you get yourself some help, Ryan? What are you planning on doing? Eating me too?
No, I won't eat.
Yeah. Are you saying I'm skinny? Because I'm not skinny. I'm a right for the picking.
No, I'm just saying you're not meat.
You said meat. You said meat. I'm basically meat, man.
I said you're not meat.
Give me the crabs so we can end it here. Right, once we collect this, 100%.
So apparently this place got flooded.
I think they.
No, they just scooped everything out and they replaced it with water.
Alright. So this world's over. So maybe go check out what's next. Because I know where the next place is. Wait, what if the casino place is here? I want to do that one. I want to do that casino level.
Remember Gormore levels say?
No, let's wait till tomorrow, man. Cause Saturday we have time. We're going in a taxi. We're going in a taxi. Let's go in the taxi. You want to go in the taxi?
Yeah, let's see what we have in store.
Let's see what we have next, because we still have a lot of levels that we have unlocked. Like, wait, can we just?
Yep.
You suck. I just want to follow the arrows. Where's the taxi? All right. Want to catch a cab? Let's go. Let's catch the.
Stuff ourselves.
And then in the final episode, we'll just go around Central City and just grab what we need. We'll just grab everything there. You agree with that? You think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
So let's see what we have here. We have Backwater Rabbids, which is the quarantine, which is where they do Bubble Bed Blues. Didn't we already do that?
No.
Wasn't there already a level? Alright, whatever. So what else do we got here? Oh, bank level. Time is money, honey. It's another bank level.
Dude, this is the one that...
You have to do these two, I had to do these two.
Time is money, honey, is the one I keep remembering. Okay.
Okay, if we finished it, we would have had 6 levels already unlocked.
Yeah.
This one's another minigame, so. And this one, finally...
It's the country level.
I call country level as well.
Aww.
Please let me have it. I love that one. And it's easy, too. It would be an easy 5 minutes.
Okay.
Man! Okay, get back up there, Raya. So every episode, we have to check out what's next, alright? Get up there, Raya. Every time we finish the world, we gotta finish.
Okay.
And tomorrow, we'll be making more videos.
Yep.
We have so many videos ready to go. But that's it for now. For today. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell to never miss another video.
Yep. If you want to subscribe, do it. If you don't, well, I can't force you to do anything.
I do have a gun in the back if you guys know. I mean, alright.
I really hope you guys like the series. I mean, it's not like...
If you guys don't like it, that is perfectly fine.
It's not like we can undo the time that we spent recording all of this. Because
yeah, this is like a year's worth of videos, though, to be honest with you. Like, we'll probably double upload these if we want to.
We are recording these in advance. But guys, we really like doing this. And this is our first major series that we're recording the whole thing of.
Yeah, don't forget we'll have Super Smash Bros., Mario Maker, all that kinds of stuff. But is there any other Nintendo games you guys... Because we're a Nintendo-only channel sort of thing. Right?
Hopefully.
And, well, should we just head off then?
I really like, just doing this. And I hope you guys like doing it with me too.
And go check out Uriah.
And check out Redhead Films.
Yeah, and we do our best. Time's about to go out. And until next time, I'm Isaiah.
And I'm Pizza Man.
And bye.
Bye.